We have seen on how data structures can be classified into primitive and non-primitive data structures, and how non-primitive data structures can be further classified into linear and non-linear data structures. So what are the operations that can be performed on these data structures? One of them is called traversing. Traversing means that we are accessing each data item exactly once so that it can be processed. Consider the example of an array. So if we are going through the array and accessing, looking at each element of the array exactly once, it is referred to as traversing. Search operation. Search operation means find the location of one or more data items that satisfy a given constraint. So suppose if you are given a task of finding all elements in an array which are between 2 and 10. So that means you have to find all data items which are between the values 2 and 10. So in that case, you will have to traverse this array and all data items. So suppose if this is 5, this is 1, this is 2, this is 7, this is 12, and this is 9, and we have to find between 2 and 10. So we will have to traverse this whole array and return the subscript of this and this element. So this is called searching. So what was the constraint that was given to us? The constraint was that we have to find values between 2 and 10. Insertion. When we have to add new data items to a given list of data items, then that is called insertion. If this is an array and these are the values that are given over here, and now if we are told that we have to insert a value 5 at subscript 2. So this is subscript 0, this is subscript 1, this is subscript 2. So if we want to add a new value over here, a new data item over here, then this data item will have to be shifted to the next place. So adding any new data item to a given list of data items is called insertion. I am giving you examples related to arrays. It could be with any data structure. Delete is to remove a particular data item from a given collection of data items. You might be asked to delete an item at subscript 2. So if you delete this data item, all the remaining data items will have to be shifted left to take its place. Sorting is another operation that happens on data structures when we arrange the data items in some order, like ascending order or descending order, depending upon the problem or the type of application. So suppose the marks of students are given, you might be asked to get the top 3 scorers of the class. So in that case, the marks will have to be arranged in descending order, and then you will take out the top 3 marks and the names of the students related to those particular marks. So this would require a sorting operation. Then if we have 2 sorted data items lists, then if we combine those lists and form a single list of sorted data items, then this is called a merge operation. So these are the basic operations that can be performed on data structures.